The straight line L has equation 3x plus 2y equals 17. The point A has coordinates 0, 2. The straight line M is perpendicular to L and passes through A. Line L crosses the y-axis at the point B. Lines L and M intersect at the point C. Work out the area of the triangle ABC. So here first we need to draw the axis and then I draw the line L, okay, because it cuts the y-axis, and we'll do that, find out where it cuts soon. But then the line M, I draw that because line L and M are perpendicular to one another, and then we've also been given that it passes through the point A, which has a coordinate 0, 2, and line L passes to the point, crosses the y-axis at the point B. L and M intersect at the point C. So the area that we will need to find out is this bit. So it's this area that we need to find. So for that we need to find the point C and the point B. So the point B is easy to find out. So equation L, so this can be rewritten as, I like to write it in the form y equals mx plus c. So 2y equals minus 3x plus 17. So we can write therefore y equals minus 3 out of 2x plus 17 out of 2. So this is the equation of L, of line L. So line L with the y-intercept is 17 out of 2. Therefore the point B is 0, 17 out of 2. So we know that. Now to find the equation of M. So we know the gradient of the line L is minus 3 out of 2. So therefore gradient of the line M would be inverse of that and with the positive sign, because the product of two gradients is minus 1. So it should be minus 2, it should be just 2 out of 3, because the gradient of L is already minus 3 out of 2. So we have the gradient of M now, and we know another thing. We know the y-intercept for line M is 2. So y-intercept for line M is 2 because it intersects the y-axis at 0, 2. Therefore we can write the equation, so I can write it here. So we can equation, sorry, I'm trying to write it in a different color. So equation of M can be written as y equals mx, so the gradient is 2 out of 3, x plus c plus 2. So this is the equation of the line M. So now L and M intersect at the point C. So if I call I leave it as that. Equations of line L and M. So if I say from the equations of line L and M, so what we have is minus 3 out of 2x plus 17 out of 2 equals 2 out of 3x plus 2. So then collecting the x's to one side, we'd have minus 3 out of 2x plus 2 out of 3x equals 2 minus 17 out of 2. So therefore we get 6. 2 times 3 is 6, so minus 9x plus 4x, and that equals 2. 4 minus 17 is minus 13. So I get minus 13x, no sorry, So this should be minus. I made a mistake. See, it should be minus. So it's minus. So then that would give me minus 13x out of 6 equals minus 13 out of 2. So that is 3 and 13 goes away, and with the negative sign so it'll go away. So x equals 3. So from line M, from the equations of line M, we get x equals 3. So when x equals 3, what would be y? So I don't need this bit anymore. Give me more space to write. So we get x equals 3. So when we have x equals 3, we can substitute it in any of these equations of L and M to get y, because both of them pass through the point C. So we can write y equals, if I write it here, y equals 2 out of 3 times 3 plus 2, that is 4. So I get y equals 4. Therefore the coordinates of coordinates of C would be 3 and 4. Okay, so now we have the coordinates of the points A, B and C. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply the distance formula to find BC and AC, and this is perpendicular, mind you, so it's half times space times height. So distance BC, so we can say distance BC is the square root of, we can say 3 minus 0 square plus 4 minus 17 out of 2 square. So that would be the square root of 9 plus, that is 8 minus 17 out of 2 square, and that is 9 plus, that is 9, and again 9 minus 9 square, so that's 81 out of 4. Then I get that equals square root of 36 plus 81 out of 4, that is the square root of 717 out of 2. So I keep it as that. So the distance BC equals the square root of 117 out of 2. So next I need to find the distance AC. So my the distance AC would be 3 minus 0 square plus 4 minus 2 square, and that is 9 plus 4, that is root 13. So that equals root 13. So now I have to do area of ABC. So if I say area of ABC, triangle ABC, that equals half times space times height. So BC is square root of 117 divided by 2 and multiplied by square root of 13. So that becomes square root of 13 times 117 out of 4. And you see this I can rewrite as square root of 13 times 9 out of 4, and that gives us 13 outside the square root and 3. So 13 times 3 out of 4, and that is 39 out of 4, that is 4 times 9 is 36, and then 3, 39, so 0.7 is 28 and 2 5, 9.75. So there is no unit specified, so we can just say unit square, or I can say square units. So that's square units. So that's the area of the triangle ABC, and that's the answer, 9.75. Thank you for watching.